really cool stand here at SILMO Singapore. Basically, Arté is all about handcrafted frame. You know, they're literally cutting out frames of the material here, and it's super cool. And we thought we would demonstrate today how to make handcrafted frames.
We are different from the manufacturer. We let consumer to do the glasses. We simplified the process of making glasses so everybody can be a glasses maker. Normally, there's a 9 production step. So customer will choose the shape and choose their favorite color, and they can start to cut out. We have 20 shapes for customer to choose.
What's gonna look good on me? Maybe these right here.
Okay, then we'll go for this. You can choose one color
wow.
from here. For you, I think this color will be great.
The same.
So this is our template. Yeah, we will be cutting followed by this mold. Very simple. You just have to hold this.
Yeah.
You just have to hold this one.
Want me to hold it?
Yeah.
Okay.
We will now cutting the shape, the inner shape first. Yeah, it's
I just did that. Oh my gosh.
Yes, correct.
Easier than cataract surgery.
And
Okay.
we were cutting the lens groove.
Okay.
Yeah. You can just follow by the templates here.
Okay.
So we simplified everything.
Okay.
So it's just very simple. You just have to follow the mold here.
Right.
Yeah. So this will be the product.
I'm gonna brush it off, and voila, there I am, Matt Young. New set of frames.
So
Wow.
after this, we will be doing sanding and polishing. So this is some of our equipment,
Okay.
which we make nose pad, and temples
Right.
using this material, using this equipment,
Right.
as well as the polishing machine. So as the leftovers, the scratches here, normally we will make it keychain, bangle, or rings, even rings. You can bring these glasses from the materials.
Right.
From the material to glasses, only 1 hour, 1 to 2 hours.
My name is Anthony from Malaysia, and then we start this business 3 years ago. Oh, the youngster, I think they like something new, and then they need something to be more creativity beside of the old traditional spec. You can have more fun, and then you can do something more meaningful on top of you just buy and give.
Some goodie bags for you.
Oh, thank you so much.
There's a keychain handmade from us.
Okay,
Yeah.
lovely, lovely.
Thank you so much.
Dean, thank you for this great
Thank you,
tour
Matt.
today.
Yeah.
Really enjoyed it.
Thank you.
See ya.